Ready ka na bang malaman kung paano makapagsimula? We are partnered with Orbis Victus International. And this is your chance to be a pioneer in this new era of digital protection, backed up with 18 years of excellence, stability, innovation, and changing people's lives. Insured ka na, may lifetime business ka pa!
And to become a member of our community, you just have to avail of this package. And once you avail of this package, you will get all of these benefits. So, sa maliit na halaga, eto lahat ang ibabalik sa'yo. You get a total of 6.5 million worth of insurance coverage na kung saan, as a breadwinner, pwede mong i-insure yung buong family mo. Repat Care para sa mga kababayan nating OFWs. You also get your own website, or we call it the Distributor Tracking Center, wherein magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong username and password. This will serve as your online accountant, online secretary, na wherever you are, as long as you have access to the internet. Pwedeng-pwede mong i-monitor yung progress ng business mo, including your income up to the last cent. And makukuha mo yung income mo through BDO ATM and through Bibo Super App. And isa sa pinaka-nagustuhan ko dito is you will get free training na kung saan we will provide you with the scripts, videos, and marketing tools. And tuturuan ka namin on how to maximize your social media accounts like Facebook ads, Reels, My Stories, Messenger, TikTok, Instagram, plus we will give you an exclusive access to our webinar training. And bakit mabilis ang pagiging milyonaryo sa community natin? It's because you will have your own mentor or coach na kung saan tuturuan ka ng step-by-step papaano ka magiging successful sa business natin. Plus, you will get a chance to avail of the free travel incentives na kung saan kumikita ka na, libre pa ang travel mo. So ngayon, paano ka ba kikita? With the package na in-avail mo, you are already entitled to 3 branches. Now, at Project High, we have this technology na kung saan tao na ang lalapit sa'yo. And all we need to do is to present the business to them, or kailangan mo lang isend yung video na to para mapanood nila. And once they decide to join, automatic kikita ka ng 6,000 pesos. So example, in one day, meron 2 na nag-avail sa'yo. Automatic, kikita ka agad ng 12,000 pesos. Now, what if in one day, 4 ang nag-avail sa'yo? Napanood lang nila tong video na to, naging interesado, nag-avail, automatic, kikita ka ng 24,000 pesos as direct referral bonus. And this income is unlimited. But wait, there's more! We also have the match sales bonus na kung saan every time the system detects that you have 1 on your right and 1 on your left, automatic, you get paid 1,800 pesos. So to start with, the 4 people na nag-avail kagaya mo, the system will detect 8 matches times 1,800 pesos. That is equivalent to 14,400 pesos match sales bonus, in addition to the 24,000 pesos direct referral bonus. That is a total of 38,400 pesos. Sa 4 na tao pa lang yan na nag-avail sa'yo. And nandito na tayo sa exciting part. Of course, yung 4 na nag-avail sa'yo, gusto din nilang kitain yung kinita mo. Ang gagawin lang natin, tuturuan at tutulungan lang din natin sila with our proven and tested system. Isasend lang din nila yung video na to sa lahat ng mga taong gusto nilang tulungan and sa lahat ng mga nag-house sa kanila. And once meron din nag-avail sa kanila ng 4 people, automatic kikita din sila ng 38,400 pesos kagaya ng kinita mo. Fair, di ba? Question, ikaw pa ba ang nag-present or nag-send ng video sa mga nag-avail sa kanila? Di ba hindi na? Ang tanong, kikita ka pa rin ba? Yes, of course. Because every time na madidetect ng system that you have matches under your organization, automatic, babayaran ka ng additional 1,800 ng 1,800 hanggang sa hindi mo na mamalayan, lumalaki na pala ng lumalaki yung organization mo, kakasend lang nila ng kakasend ng video na to, dumadami na pala ng dumadami yung nag-a-avail under your organization. And doon ka na babayaran ng 1,818, napakadaming 1,800, unlimited 1,800, and doon mo na makukuha yung mga pinapangarap mo.
Our company created more than 25,000 millionaires and multi-millionaires for the past 18 years and counting. Nakapag-branch out na din po tayo sa napakaraming bansa like Hong Kong, Singapore, UAE, Europe, and Africa. At magbubukas pa tayo sa napakaraming bansa sa mga susunod na taon.
At ngayon, napanood mo na ang video na to.
And finally, nahanap mo na ang opportunity na makakapagpabago ng buhay mo.
At ang community na makakatulong sa'yo.
Kaya if you believe that you're like us, mapangarap,
Malakas ang loob,
gusto mabigay ang magandang buhay para sa pamilya,
willing makipagtulungan at tumulong sa kapwa.
niniwala kami na isa sa pinakamagandang story ang maririnig at mapapanood namin ay ang success story mo.
At ang success story na yan, nakadepende sa desisyon na gagawin mo ngayon.
Welcome to Project Hive. Welcome home.